Hi everyone and welcome back to Cattaleya English. I'm Kate and today we are diving into a tricky yet fascinating corner of the English language, homonyms. What are homonyms? They are words that sound exactly alike but have completely different meanings and often different spellings too. They can be quite confusing. However, once you learn them, you will boost your English and avoid some embarrassing mistakes. Let's start with our first trio, saw, and saw. First, saw can be a tool for cutting wood. For example, my dad used a saw to build a birdhouse. Saw can also be the past tense for the verb to see. Like in, I saw a beautiful rainbow yesterday. Next, saw means painful or aching. For instance, after the workout, my muscles were sore. And finally, soar means to fly high in the air. To demonstrate, the eagle soared effortlessly above the mountains. Saw, saw, and saw. Three very different words with the exact same sound. Alright, let's move on to another pair, new and new. New means recently made or acquired. For example, I bought a new phone yesterday. New is the past tense for the verb to know, meaning to have knowledge of something. To illustrate, I knew the answer to the question. Let's look at the next trio. To, and to. To indicates direction or purpose. For instance, I'm going to the store. To means also or excessively. Like in, I want some cake too. Or, this cake is too sweet. And finally, two is the number 2. To demonstrate, I have 2 apples. Two, and two. 3 different meanings, 1 pronunciation. Next we have hear and hear. Hear means to perceive sound. For example, can you hear the birds singing? Hear indicates a location near the speaker. To illustrate, come here and sit next to me. Let's move to the last pair for this video, right and right. Right indicates correctness or a direction opposite of left. For instance, is it the right answer? Or turn right at the corner. Right means to form letters or words on a surface. Like in, please write your name on the paper. So there you have it, 3 pairs and 2 trios of homonyms in English. Remember to pay attention to the context to understand which word is being used. Which of these homonyms was the hardest to understand? Share your thoughts in the comments. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to Cattaleya English for more English tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.